When you spend a fortune on a watch, it doesn't remain just a watch. It becomes a memento, an investment that may break the bank but certainly be worth in the end. Plucking down a heft load of cash for a timepiece means you want it to pass the test of time. That being said, you won't like your beautiful watch to lose its sheen or to stop functioning within a few years. Proper care and maintenance of your watch can extend its life. Discover how in these 5 easy tips. 1. Read watch manual carefully. All luxury watches come with an instruction manual, which include instruction on watch care. Refer to your instruction manual to properly set your watch. Pay attention to what your watch can and cannot withstand. Also take a quick note of do's and don'ts mentioned in the manual. 2. Save it from water. Don't expose your watch to water even if it is labeled as water resistant. Salt in water can cause corrosion, therefore wipe it dry as soon as possible. Take your watch to an expert to have it looked over whenever it comes in contact with excessive water. A specialist should be able to tell you the extent of the damage. 3. Avoid excess heat and cold. Avoid leaving your watch in existing heat above 40 degrees Celsius or extreme cold below 0 degrees Celsius for extended period of time. If a watch is kept at temperatures outside the normal range, the electronic components may cease to function normally. Remember, extreme heat tends to shorten the battery lifespan of fast watch, while extreme cold can cause your watch to stop keeping time accurate. 4. Keep it away from chemicals. Avoid contact with any chemical, solvent or gases. These items may cause deterioration, discoloration or other damage to your watch. Most luxury watches are also not made to survive strong electronic fields or static electricity. Common household appliances don't pose any threat to your watch, however. To avoid such exposure, keep your watch in widely available watch cases. 5. Get it serviced most often. The watch and its strap should be cleaned now and then. Though watches are small in size, they are exceptionally complicated like tiny machines, which is why they have to be cleaned thoroughly and carefully. Take your watch to an expert on a regular basis to be serviced. Your manual may give you an idea as to how frequently you should do that.